In today's video, I'm going to show you how to track and manage Monday.com automations so you can stay in control of your workflows and avoid automation chaos. If you're using Monday.com to manage projects, tasks, or team collaboration, automations are incredibly powerful, but only if you know how to monitor, edit, and manage them properly. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to view all your existing automations, turn them on or off, edit them, and delete the ones you no longer need. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Monday.com tips and productivity tutorials. Let's get started. First, we need to open the Automations Center. Go to the board where your automations currently exist. Automations are board-specific in most cases, so you need to access the correct board first. Once you're inside the board, look at the top right corner and click on the Automations button. This will open the Automations Center. Inside this area, you'll see all the active automation recipes connected to that specific board. This is your control panel for everything automation related. Now let's look at how to view all existing automations. Inside the Automation Center, you'll typically see different sections. You'll see board automations, which are rules applied only to that board. You'll also see automation templates, which are pre-built recipes that Monday.com provides. And then you may see customized recipes, which are templates you've modified to fit your workflow. Each automation appears as a card. On that card, you can clearly see the trigger, which is the event that starts the automation. You'll see any conditions that must be met. You'll see the action, which is what happens automatically. And most importantly, you'll see the on and off toggle switch. This overview makes it easy to quickly scan what's active and how your workflows are behaving. Next, let's talk about turning automations on or off. This is extremely useful when you're troubleshooting or testing. Simply locate the automation you want to manage and use the toggle switch on the right side of the card. When the switch is blue, the automation is on. When it's gray, it's off. You might want to turn an automation off if you're testing a new workflow and don't want duplicate actions firing. You might also disable one if you suspect it's triggering incorrectly or causing unexpected changes. And of course, if you no longer need a rule but aren't ready to delete it permanently, turning it off is a safe temporary solution. Now let's go over how to edit an existing automation. Inside the Automation Center, hover over the automation recipe you want to change. You'll see an Edit option appear. Click Edit and the Automation Builder will open. From here, you can modify almost any part of the recipe. You can change the trigger, adjust conditions, update statuses, change the assigned person, or even modify connected boards if your automation interacts with other boards. This is especially helpful when your workflow evolves and your automation needs to evolve with it. Once you've made your changes, click Update Automation to save everything. Always double-check your logic before saving to avoid accidental triggers. Finally, let's look at how to delete an automation. If you have old rules that are causing conflicts, duplicating actions, or simply cluttering your system, it's best to remove them completely. In the Automation Center, hover over the recipe you want to delete. Click the three-dot menu, also known as the vertical ellipsis. From the drop-down menu, select Delete. You'll be asked to confirm the deletion. Once confirmed, that automation will be permanently removed from the board. Keeping your automations clean and organized prevents errors and keeps your workflows running smoothly. It's a good habit to periodically review your Automation Center to make sure everything is intentional and up to date. And that's it. You now know how to track and manage Monday.com automations, including how to view them, turn them on or off, edit them, and delete them when necessary. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step Monday.com tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.